this is my dominoes. First, there is the 2 which hit this stack, which will 4, and hit this stack of 5, just heaps. Anyway, and I have 1 card left over, which does not go anywhere. And this is what happens when I go. Woohoo! That was my card stack, and this is what is left over. And the last card.